Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel, everyone. In this video I'll be sharing with you detailed tutorial on how to use this Nigerian healthy leaf you see on the screen to prepare Nigerian delicious soup. Now, do you know the name of this leaf? Do you know how to prep it? Keep watching because I'll be sharing with you step-by-step tutorial on how to use this healthy leaf. If you're new, thanks for coming. If you are returning, thanks for returning back. Don't forget to like, comment, share my video to your friends and family, and don't hurry up because there are details tutorial in this video so you don't miss out. First, let's start with the protein. So I'll be using beef. In a clean pot, I transfer my already washed beef. To that, I'll be adding my momo, known as cow skin. Now, if you want to eat the right momo, please buy from the meat sellers, the butchers. They say the right momo. To that, I add my banla fish, garlic, ginger. Now, garlic and ginger is optional, but I love to add a little of it to give my meat a flavor and make it tasty. After adding all the seasoning, the yellow chili, the red pepper, I will mix this to combine and allow to simmer on a medium flame for 10 minutes. Doing this allows the seasoning to get into the beef so it becomes very tasty and very flavory. If this is your first time in my channel, you are highly welcome. If you're returning back, thanks for returning back. Don't forget to watch this video to the end because there are a lot of tutorial in this video. So after 10 minutes, the meat has enough water and I will just go ahead and allow this to cook on the medium to high flame for 40 minutes, depending on how soft you want your beef to be. So while that is aside, this is our leaf. Now, the name of this leaf is called obogoro in Nigeria. If you take a closer look at its skins, you notice it has some white hairs. Now, we don't need all of that. I'll be showing you step by step on how to get rid of this. Now, you may be wondering why the stress. It's worth the stress because this leaf is super healthy and you need it. Okay, so to prep this, simply cut it out from the leaf, from the stem, and then just like what you see me do on this screen, break the skin, cut the stem open, the one on your hand, everyone, that is what I mean, and then begin to gradually peel it off from each size. You notice as you peel it off, there is this strands that follows it. We don't need all of those strands, they are not needed. So after you successfully remove the hairs from the skin, you cut it into different parts, just the way I do. You can also choose to use knife to cut them the way you cut ugu leaf, but for this soup I prefer to use my hands to cut them this very well. So I'll be repeating this same process until all the leaf is complete. Keep watching because I'll be showing you how you can successfully peel off the white hairs from the tender part of this leaf, because that tender part of this leaf is equally very needed and is super healthy. Like I said, this leaf is super healthy. It's a source of lots of healthy vitamins in the body, especially for women, even for men. So this is what I call the tender part of it. So for you to peel off this part, now you still have to repeat that same process, cutting it from the tip down, making sure that those strand drags, and then you gradually peel off the flowers that are not needed and then cut them into smaller sizes and set it aside. So you repeat all of that till it is done. So while that is aside, here is our okra. If you don't know how to cut okra, watch this. I'll just be showing you what to do. So with your knife, we're going to be cutting off the head, the part that they cut off from the okra tree itself. So take your knife, cut it off. The moment you cut it off, then you use your knife to bisect it into numbers, like into like the first one, the second one, the third one, depending on how small you want it to be. Some like to use grater, but I don't like to use grater. I don't like the consistency I get from the grater. If I really want to enjoy vegetable soup, I take the the trouble to cut them myself. Now another method, you can also start from the tip if you don't want to start from the head and cut it. So if you're good at using knife, please use your knife to do this. But if you're not good at using knife, please don't do it. Don't say you watch Uleli Roots Kitchen using knife to cut across, then you decided to do it and cut your hand. Please, I mean your fingers. Please don't do that. I am good at handling knives, so that is why I'm going to use knife to cut all of that off camera. Okay, so while that is aside, our beef is already set, and at this point I just added my already blended crayfish, palm oil, and yellow chili pepper, and allow it to cook for like 5 minutes so it's blends with the soup stock and everything. And at this point I'll be adding my okra. Now when you add your okra, the soup is not ready yet, but remember that okra is vegetable, so all you need to do is to reduce the flame to the lowest flame while you stir the okra to combine with the protein already in the pot. Make sure you stir everything to combine, and after stirring everything to combine, at this point check for salt, check for your pepper, check if everything is perfect the way you would love it. And now this is the consistency I want for this soup. If you want it lighter, then you go ahead and add little water. If you want it thicker, then you should cut the okra using the grater. But for this very delicious leaf, this consistency is superb. So at this point I'll be transferring the leaf. After cutting the leaf off camera, this is what it looks like. So as I add the leaf, I'll be mixing it to combine, mix to combine until all the ingredients, everything in that point blends very well. Remember, this veggie is super soft, softer than Okro Leaf, so reduce your flame to the lowest as you do this, because as you're turning, as you're mixing to combine, everything is melting gradually. So make sure you do this on a low flame. And this soup was super delicious, everyone. It goes with any swallow, fufu, iba, or flour. The choice is just yours, everyone. Now let me know at the comment section what you think about this yummy soup with this our healthy leaf. This leaf is super healthy, and so this method of cooking this okra is super healthy for anyone. Little oil and no frying, everyone. So let me know at the comment section, and don't forget to like my video, watch, comment, subscribe, share to friends and families, and don't forget to watch the ads, and don't forget to watch the playlist, because I have a lot of Nigerian traditional soups recipe in this channel, and a lot of healthy drinks, how to make them in this very channel. So you are welcome to the right channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get alerts, so when I post new video you quickly watch and leave your comments so I know where to improve. All right, stay safe and see you in my next video, and bye.